Okay, let's go.
Welcome back to another video stars. So today I cook some salt mackerel and dumpling with banana and a piece of yellow yam. So me cook my salt mackerel in the pot with the food. So I take it out now. The reason why I do it, I don't put no salt in the pot. I just like wash off the mackerel. Wash the mackerel and just wash it off a little, and then we just put it in the water, the boiling water, so it what you call it now, the salt will come off it just enough to finish cook the food. Yeah, if you take it, make the pot have the little salty, but it not salt. So I take it out now. Salt mackerel, I get it out now and pick it up. To start with some rundown, I'm gonna make some coconut powder, Maggi coconut powder, and my onion and tomato. I'm gonna put a little black pepper in there, and so I'm not gonna use no pepper. So I just that I'm gonna do it now. So I'm gonna get the coconut milk mixed out. To see that stars are come down nice. I'm gonna put the salt mackerel in there and just put the seasoning and a little black pepper, and then soon put the coconut, the mackerel in it. Salt mackerel in it now. You know it all turn up, it all nice, you see? Go nice. Just keep it. So I'm gonna share my plate, I know. One good. So I'm finished now, start see there. Share it out. Yuppie. So I'm gonna get in it right now. Look pretty. I'm gonna know it all tastes good. Now that's nice. Just start. Oh yeah. What did I say? Oh, so I'm gonna eat right now. And thing. Yuppie. And that is it. White stars. One Malta, bottle of Malta Joe in the fridge, and I clean it out. I take out all of them something and clean it out. And so say it stay there. I clean out everything. Clean it right out. So I show you when I finish. I clean out it, how well I do. So right now the place is a mess. So I wash some of the things from out of the fridge. Put them for dry. I have some more right here inside of the sink. I wash them out. Wash them now. So I'm going to give them a good wash. And put them back. So start see there now. We finish clean out the inside, the body of the fridge. Yep. This is the cold room. Clean out in the settle. So I start putting back now the shelves. Putting back the shelves and everything. Putting back the shelves now. So I'm finish clean out the body of it. So I'm finish putting the shelf and pack it up. I'll show you again. Okay. So see it, I'm finished now. So I'm pack it up back. pack up back the fridge. Pack it up back. So I finish clean it out. So it look pretty now. I finish clean it up and thing. Yep. And then wipe off the fridge door and wipe out inside of the freezer. So now finish pack up it now and show you. So I have some stew leave over. I put it in the fridge. Because I love stew peas. That's the only thing I eat left over. I don't like leftover food, but I never eat I love stew peas, so I have to eat. Vinegar and baking soda I use and clean the fridge. Baking soda with vinegar. I start and finish clean out the fridge now and the freezer. Finish yeah. So I finish all of this and wait. Finish do all of this. I wipe out the outside of the fridge. I wipe off the outside of the fridge and everything. See there? I'm wipe the top of the fridge also. I'm gonna clean out the top and put back the thing up there. So I'm finished now. Thank God. I'm finished. I'm through now. Well clean and everything. Yes, I did use baking soda and vinegar to clean the fridge. That me use and clean it out. So everything done now. And that's it.